Welcome back. In the last section, we discussed about the if and later. In this particular video, we'll be discussing one important concept in C, which is called as the switch statement. Okay, the switch statement helps us in order to execute a particular set of block of code based on from a set of alternatives. Okay, say for example, I based on a certain input. Okay, based on a certain input, I want to execute a particular set of a particular set of code. So then it is very useful to use the switch case statement. Then you can ask me one answer. Why can't we? Why can't we? Have if else later also? Yes, if else later also has the same capability, but using switch statements, it becomes very easy to read and very easy to write. Okay, so let us take an example. Suppose based on uh, the input from the user. Okay, from the range from 1 to 3. Okay, so I want to tell him that yes, you have input 1, or you have input 2, or you have input 3. So the best way we can use a switch statement. Okay, right. So before going to that example, the switch statement will switch. Okay, then we have an expression. I'm talking about the syntax. Okay, then we have an open bracket and close bracket, and here we have the case. So case, and then here we have a constant. Okay, and based on then we have certain set of statements to be executed. Okay, yes, statement should be executed and followed by a break statement, which is very important. Okay, yes, like it is not like mandatory that we have to put a break. If you don't put a break also, it will execute. But the thing is that if you don't put a break, then from this statement you'll move to the next statement. Okay, we'll see. Don't worry. The case, case constants, constants 2. Okay, so we have statement breaks again. Yes, right. Okay, sorry. Yes, right. Okay, so you can see based on the expression. Okay, we there has to be some equivalent, some constant value, and based on this constant values. Okay, and this particular group of statement is executed. Now if suppose this expression doesn't evaluate this statement, then what will happen? So we have a concept called as default. Okay, and here we write default. Okay, FAULT, sorry, FAULT, default. Okay, then colon, and we say that suppose they print font choice, something like that. Okay, yes, right. Now let us see this example which we are talking about. Okay, so in choice. Okay, and then I ask the user enter the choice between 1 and 3. Or just from 1 to 3. Okay, from 1 to 3. Okay, so scanf percentage d comma ampersand choice. Okay, semicolon. Now here we don't write an expression here. We'll just simply, I will show you an expression also. Okay, I will have choice. Okay, now what is this choice value? This is 1. Okay, so I write the statement as printf your choice is 1. Okay, break, then 2. Similarly we put it as, okay, right, your choice is 2. Okay, right, then we put this is 3, your choice is 3, and default I write printf of choice. Yes, So let me again talk about the structure. Switch. Okay, then we talk about the expression. So expression, here we are talking about a variable. Okay, expression means this has to give a constant value. Okay, that's what the constant value. Okay, so here we have taken a variable, have a constant value. Okay, later we'll see one expression also, don't worry. Okay, so now this we are saying the choices from 1 to 3. So I have said 1, the case of 1, then we said your choice is 1. If we select 2, then we say it is 2. If it is 3, we say it is 3. And if suppose it doesn't enter between 1, 2 and 3, then we say default with some wrong choices. Okay, great. So we have like return 0. Right. So let me save this. Okay, so that's why, right? So let me build this. Okay, so let me put choice 1. So you have said choice is 1. Okay, similarly again we'll run and build. Okay, I said choice is 3, so I got the choices 3. Let me say I don't put a choice between 1 and 3. Choice is suppose say 4. Say wrong choice. Now how exactly it is executed? Say whenever I put a choice, suppose say this choice is 3. Okay, so it will come 3. So it will first check here case of 1. Is it 3 is the value here? No. So it will go and jump to case 2. Is this the case? No, because the value here is 2. We are looking for 3. So next case 3. Yes. So it will print the choice. Okay. And then this break statement will break it out from the switch statement. Okay. As I was telling, this is an option and is not like mandatory. I will show you. Suppose I remove this break statement from here. Let me both. Okay, yes, let me, okay, and then I will ask for a choice 2. So what should be the output? Actually we want it should print only your choice, that is 2. But here in this case what happened, because we have not put the break, so after this statement it will behave like a sequence. So it will move to case 3, it will execute this, it will move to the default, it will execute this. So it will behave like a sequence statement. Let me show you. Yes, so let's say I put the value 2. See, your choice is 2, your choice is 3, and wrong choice. Yes. So let me make it very clear. So by putting a slash in, okay, then it will be very much more clear to you. Yes. So let me save it. Then I execute again. I have not given a break statement. So I put 2, sorry, put some problem. Oh, sorry. I was trying to execute fast. That's why it's happening. Okay. I said put 2. See, choice is 2, choice is 3, and wrong choice. As I was saying to you, right? See, after this choice, this will be executed, and then again it will behave like a sequence, right? And then it will execute choice 3, then it will execute the choice, the wrong choice. So the importance is that, so the break has a very important role to play. Okay, so I put break again. Okay, I put uh, break again. Okay, yes. So let me save it. Yes, right. So now again I will get the, if I put here 2, I got the choice 2. Yes, okay. Now I was talking about this expression. Okay, let's forget about I don't want this. Okay, and I put an expression inside the x equal to 6 minus 3. Okay, right. So x equal to 6 minus 3. So what will be the output of this? So what is giving error? Let me see. Oh, I have put something like X undeclared, right? Okay, great. I have to put here choice. So sorry. So let me put here choice. Okay, now choice is equal to 6 minus 3. Okay, great. Right. What will the output? Your choice is 3. Why? Because see x equal choice equal to 6 minus 3. What will be the value of 6 minus 3? It will be 3. That's why it is output here. Okay. Let me say then let me take this as something like not x equal to okay. So x equal to um, 6 minus 1, so now it is going to give 5, and so this 1 2 3 is 5 is not there, so the default should come, so it only should give the wrong choice. Let me say again, yes, the wrong choice. Okay, so like that we can have more expression, multiplied by 1, so what will be the output here? Okay, let me say this minus 2. What will be the output? Anybody? 1 minus 1 minus 2, it should give 3. Yes, so your choice is 3. Yes, because 6 minus 1 minus 2, it will give 3. So we can write a lot of expression. Okay. Yes. So in my subsequent videos, you will going to understand some of the very important what you say tips and tricks of switch case statements. Please go through that video because very important, because a lot of things are there in switch case and a lot of questions usually is asked from the switch case statement. Hope you have understood. Let me revisit again. In a switch case, in a switch case statement, we are trying to execute one set of block from an from an alternative sets of blocks. So here we have three blocks and we want to execute only one particular block based on a certain condition. Okay, so the syntax is switch, then we have an expression out here. Okay, and the case, and this will be always a constant value that we remember. Okay, and if we are not going, we are not having, if it is not under this particular set of blocks, then we have a default which will going to say it. So in this example we are trying to find a choice. Okay, yes, in a choice from 1 to 3. So whenever you will enter 1, so it will be 1, the case 1 will be executed, and if you are entering case 2, case 2 will be executed. If you are entering 5, the default will be executed. Also you have seen the importance of the break. Suppose we have given, right, the case is choices 2 and we have removed this break, we have removed this break, we have removed this break, and we have removed it. Then we saw the output is your choice is 2, your choice is 3, and the wrong choice. So break is very important. Even though it is optional, it is important because that set of blocks only is being executed. Okay, hope you enjoyed this video, and I sincerely request you to go to the next two videos which will give you a tips and tricks of the switch case statement.